Okay, today we're back with another Sterling Forever Advent Calendar and Jewelry haul. We were so blown away by our last two Advent calendars that we bought two more.
I think a gold and a silver.
Both of them were polished. Yeah, both were polished. Because last time I got the cubic zirconia silver and you got the gold polish.
Right.
And I liked hers so much that I went ahead and bought a gold polished. And then we did also buy a necklace. It's one of the initial necklaces. And this one has, lead and nickel free. It's rhodium plated. This was for our older sister. It's actually her initial, a letter J. And it's really pretty because it's that beautiful silver color.
Like a bright silver.
It's a bright silver. It's got the cursive letter J, 16 to 18 inches. And it came with a very large dust bag. So the presentation is very nice. And she'll definitely be excited when she gets that. And now we get it to look at our Advent calendars.
So should we maybe open up number 5 first?
Yeah, sure. We'll do number 5. But again, the packaging is super nice.
Okay.
Tap. Just super high quality. You would definitely have no problems showing
Gifting
this off.
yeah.
Gifting it. $50-$60. You can't go wrong.
Okay, so I must have the gold one. Okay, so my number 5, this is a 14 karat gold plated 16 to 18 inches lead and nickel free necklace.
I have the silver one. This is a paperclip necklace. It's very beautiful.
Oh, whoops. And each box comes with, again, the little carrying case pouch. So I'm sure it's like it's obviously not really leather, but you can hear.
I like that one. That one's so much fun.
This is pretty. It's lightweight. It's got little.
It's almost.
Bless you.
Bless you. I think I'm gonna do like a close-up video. I did that for the gold, not for the silver.
I like that sound.
I like that sound too. I wonder why it makes that sound. Then we can do number 4 next.
Yeah, it'll be a countdown.
And I like how the drawers all come out.
Okay, so number 4.
So this one, interestingly enough, doesn't have like a box or like a hang tag, but it's a serpentine necklace. It's silver. It's one of those kind of snake chain, and then it has 3 pearls. So something very different. I was gonna say, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
This is a 14 karat gold plated bracelet that's 7 to 8 inches. So it looks like this. Feels like it's small, and it doesn't seem like it has much of the extender loops. So
Right, this does look kind of
we'll
small.
see. Maybe it's an anklet. No, ankles are bigger than wrists.
No, I think.
So we'll have to try it out.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
If not, that will be a gift for somebody, because we either will get an extender or.
Oh yeah, they have really good extenders on Amazon. Box number 3 is
fast.
Wow.
You didn't have a package to put it in.
That's true.
Well, these are all going to go out of the package now. After this video.
For this third one is a adjustable rhodium plated silver bracelet. They all have the same size beads. It's nice because it has that bolo that makes it really easy and fast to put on. You don't have to worry about a clasp. That's really pretty too.
This appears to be almost like a dual chained, almost like a paper clip at top, and then a large
Baroque pearl.
Do you think it's a real Baroque pearl?
It's a real pearl.
16 to 18 inches. They said it was really real.
Well, you can tell if you do
Now, the funny thing is, I'm just looking at this little wire coil that basically holds the Baroque pearl. It looks a lot darker than the rest of the chain, so I don't know if that's just oxidization or
it's like a wire or something.
Yeah, because I know you tried this one on earlier. It looked really good on, but I just noticed that immediately. It's not a big deal, but it just looks a little...
Yeah, you're right. But just the beautiful, you can't really see
It's an abnormal pearl. Like, it's a cool design.
Very pretty.
It's not something I would have picked out myself, but seeing it on her, it looked really good.
Pretty.
So
that's what I like about the Advent. You get different jewelry that you might have never chosen, and you think, oh, I don't like that. But then you get it, you try it on, and you really like it.
right, it kind of forces you to be creative.
Get out of your box.
Yeah.
For number 2 for my box, it's a pair of rhodium plated earrings. And you had earrings too.
This is 14 karat gold. These are very strange. I've never seen anything like
it's almost
this.
It's like a
baguette
cutout
or a croissant. These are, more trendy, more typical. So these are very large,
gold,
pretty lightweight hoops, right? 14 karat gold plated. This looks very nice on. I don't have jewelry on right now, but this looks very good on. Those croissants look a little
funny.
On. They're a little heavy, but it's
something unique.
Yes, and again, gift if you don't like it.
Or you could just, be the talk of the town. And then for the final day 1, there's a pair of
saving the best for last.
earrings, and this is rhodium plated, but these have pearls on the
outside,
but they go all the way around, and so it's very cool. I've never seen, again, a design like this, but they just sparkle really nicely, and the clasp is nice because it actually keeps them really secure.
Oh, it's actually a closed one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually closes. And then you have earrings.
So this
too.
was the last, or number 1 box. This is a 14 karat plated circular shaped hoops, or almost like a cruller donut.
Yeah, actually it is.
They're pretty. I think they hang this way.
Yeah.
Not heavy, pretty color. These would be nice because I don't have anything like this right now in my collection. So a little bit different than your basic studs or your basic hoops.
Something that, and these are about $60. If you can get them on sale for $48 when they run sales, it's such a great value. These have lifetime warranties. They're supposed to be lead and nickel free, tarnish proof, and sweat proof, and
basically life proof.
And if, one of your stones or pearls pops off, you can contact customer service and they'll give you a replacement, which is really great, so they stand behind their product.